Hi everyone, welcome to MASH Math. Today we are going to study chapter 14 statistics, exercise 14.4, question 1. So the question 1, the following distribution gives the daily income of 50 workers. So total 50 workers of a factory. So daily income in rupees it is given and number of workers. So there are 12 workers whose daily income is 100 to 120 rupees. There are 14 workers whose income is 120 to 140 rupees. So that's how the data is given to us. Convert the distribution above to a less than type cumulative frequency distribution and draw its ogive. I have already explained to you in the introduction what is the meaning of this. So draw its ogive means draw the curve. Okay. So which type we have to do? Less than type. So those who are not gone through the introduction, kindly go through the introduction for exercise 14.4, the first part where I explained to you the less than type. In second part, I have explained to you the more than type. Okay. So less than type. So let's see how to do it. So I have just copied down the question here. Question 1, the daily income, what is given in the textbook. I have just copied down. Now let me show you the introduction part of it. So introduction for exercise 14.4, I have explained to you the less than type curve or ogive, how to draw. So these are the two columns given to us in the textbook and this is what we have to prepare and then we have to plot the graph. Kindly go through this video where I have explained to you the less than type curve. So first what we have to do, so only two columns we have to prepare, no much calculation here. So daily income in rupees, but what type? It is less than type. So we have to write the daily income less than type. Daily income less than. So this will be our X. Less than. So now if you see between 100 to 120, when we say less than, can we say less than 100? Less than 100 means it goes up below this. So below this means doesn't come here. Between this doesn't come. Then if we say less than 120, does it come between this only? Yes. So when we say less than 120, it will come between 100 to 120. So that's why whenever it is asked less than, you have to write the upper limit. Whatever in upper limit we have, just copy down. So 120. So less than 120. Here less than 140. Here less than 160. Here less than 180. Here it should be less than 200. Okay. So now next you have to prepare cumulative frequency. So this is our frequency. So sum of F frequency or capital N is the same. So how much? 50 workers it is given to us, right? So if you total also it will be 50. So cumulative frequency, how do we prepare? From the frequency we have to just go on add the next value. So first it is 12 here. So now with 12 you add 14, you'll get 26. With 26 you add 8, you'll get 34. With 34 you add 6, get 40. With 40 you add 10, you'll get 50. So this value should be same. So that's it now. So this has become your X means CF will become your Y. So now you have to plot the graph. And your points will be 120, 12. And then 140, 26. Then 160, 34. Then 180, 40. Then 200, 50. So these are the points you have to plot. You know that always the first one, this is X means this is Y. So this is X means this is on Y axis. Same way for everything. So this will come on X axis. This will come on Y axis. Y axis highest is 50 number and here the highest is 200, but the difference is you can see 2020 is the difference, so we can give that only. And here 50, so we can give the 10 10 10 difference, so then it will come all the values. Okay, so let's plot on the graph now. So this is your graph paper, all are positive, so we need only the first quadrant. So you can draw. So this is your x dash, this will be your x axis, this will be your y dash, up it is y axis. So your origin begins here 0, and then on x axis we take 120 140 like this. We can begin with the 100 also, no problem. So we start this point as a 100. Then next we'll take 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter is a 20 difference, because here difference are 20. So we'll take here 120. Then this will be 140. This will be 160. 180, and this will be 200. So everywhere difference is 20 20, but if you see from 0 to here 100 is not 20, so therefore here you have to draw a kink, that is a break here like this. Okay, so this is important. If you don't do this, your marks will be cut, because you are starting from here 0 to 1 centimeter, you have taken 100, and afterwards you have taken 120, then 140. So here you have difference of 20 20, but here you have difference of 100. So whenever you have like this, it's not matching, then you have to put this kink, this like this you have to put in, otherwise you will lose your mark. Okay, so on y axis we will take as 10 20 30 40 50 60 is enough, because y axis we have highest is 50. So here everything same, 0 to 10 is the difference, here also 0 to 10 means 10 10 difference is there. So here it is same, whereas here between 0 to 100 difference, but here all 20 20 difference. That's why we need to put this sign. Okay, now the graph is ready. Now on x-axis what we are taking, daily income less than, either you write this or you can write all the values are of upper limit. So you can write upper limit on x-axis, and y-axis it is always CF, so cumulative frequency. Okay, so now just plot it now. 120 comma 12. So 120 is here, 12 is, this is 10, then 11, then 12. Then you have 120 comma, better write down. Okay, next 140 comma 26. 140 is here, then 26 on y direction is here 20, 25, 26. This is the point. So 120 comma 26. Then you have 140 comma, sorry, this is 140, right? 140. Then 160 comma 34. 160 is here. 160 comma 34. 30 on y direction is here 30. 34 means here it will come. So 160 comma 34. Then 180 comma 40. 180 is here on x. 180 comma 40. In this direction 180 is here. Y direction 40 is here. This is 180 comma 40. Then this I will just remove because it is confusing. So now next 200 comma 50. 200 on x direction, 200 here. On y direction 50 is here. So 200 comma 50. That's it. Now you just join all the points with the hand. So from here to here, here to here, here to here, here to here. So that much only, because it is not asked to find out the median, it is asked only to find the less than type. So you can write here less than type. That's it. Thank you. God bless you.